my PDM Vault view in Windows Explorer, I can see a preview of my shear assembly. I can also view the custom properties of the assembly on the data card. I need to create a new project based on this seed model. I can browse to my projects folder and then use PDM's built-in template capability to create a new project folder based on my input while also generating a new project number and folder. So far, my project is still empty, so I will use the copy tree function from the seed model to generate a new project-specific assembly that still references the common components, therefore eliminating duplicate files in my vault. It will also generate new part numbers for my components. We can verify that it does create a new number for that new version. Lastly, I will specify that I want this new version to be located in the new project folder. Once copy tree is completed, we can browse back to the new project to see that a new assembly has been created using the newly generated part number. We can see that the assembly is still referencing the original components in their original locations. I do need to make one change to the assembly. The pneumatic conditioner that has been used has been replaced with a newer version. I need to check out the assembly so that I am able to make changes. Once the assembly is open in SOLIDWORKS, I'll filter the assembly looking for PNEU for pneumatic. I will then replace the component. Because PDM is integrated into Windows Explorer, I can use its search capability here in the Open dialog. The search capability allows me to search by more than just file name. In this case, I will search by description, again using PNEU to find all components that have that in their descriptions. The search returned two results, the first one being the original component that I am replacing. The second one is the one that I am interested in. The new component has the same references, so it is able to mate back into place without any help from me. I can confirm that the component has been replaced by again filtering by description. We can see that the new part number is being used. With that complete, I will save the assembly and move to check the assembly back into PDM. That will make my changes visible to other users as well as creating a new version. I can enter a comment at this point that will become a part of the assembly's permanent history. Switching back to Explorer, we can look at the new pneumatic component to see where it has been used. We can see that it is in fact being used by the new assembly. To learn more, check out our other videos and subscribe. You can also visit us on the web at qintegration.com.